In a bold escalation of trade tensions, China has struck at one of America's most critical vulnerabilities: rare earth metals. These 17 elements, vital for smartphones, electric vehicles, wind turbines, satellites, and advanced military systems, have become a strategic flashpoint in the intensifying rivalry between the world's two largest economies. On April 10, 2025, China imposed a 34% tariff on all U.S. goods, responding swiftly to American tariff hikes the day before. But far more impactful was Beijing's move to tighten control over rare earth exports, signaling a readiness to weaponize its dominance over these critical resources. China controls nearly 90% of the world's rare earth production and processing, giving it unmatched influence over global supply chains. While other countries possess rare earth deposits, none match China's scale or infrastructure. On April 4th, Beijing announced new restrictions on exporting 7 rare earth elements crucial to the U.S. defense, energy, and automotive sectors, including samarium, gadolinium, and dysprosium. This deliberate targeting of vital materials underscores China's strategic intent to apply economic pressure where it hurts most. Though a partial easing followed trade talks in Geneva, with China lifting certain restrictions on 28 U.S. companies for 90 days, the embargo on the 7 key elements remains in place. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce cited national security and comprehensive control of strategic minerals as justification, leaving little doubt that rare earths are now a geopolitical lever. This isn't the first time China has used rare earths as a pressure tactic. In 2010, similar restrictions triggered global efforts to find alternative sources, yet the U.S. remains deeply reliant on Chinese processing capacity. While Beijing's strategy could backfire by accelerating diversification, for now it holds a powerful card. As the U.S. scrambles to secure its supply chains, rare earths have emerged as an invisible front in a broader Cold War, a technological and economic showdown where access to the Earth's rarest resources may define the balance of power.